There's one rule, just one that separates boys from men. And if you don't follow it, you'll stay stuck, you'll stay soft, and you'll stay lost. Happy 4th of July, everyone. We got to get the content in, even on the holidays. I hope you guys are enjoying it. So let's get to the rule and what is the rule that's going to cause you to transform from a boy to a man. The rule is take full responsibility. Usually boys, usually immature men who think they are men, but they're really boys inside of a man's body. They don't own things, they blame. A true man is going to own everything that happens, whether it's good or bad. His actions, his mistakes, his emotions, and his future. We got to stop blaming parents. We got to stop blaming your ex. We got to stop blaming society for our circumstances. We have to look in the mirror one day and say, hey, I put myself in this position. I messed up, or I did good, and I'm the reason I'm here. That's the only way you're going to be able to grow and become better and become successful and make that change. Just taking responsibility. A lot of people think that taking responsibility means that it's their fault, but it doesn't have to mean that. It just means that it's your fight. It just means that it creates an understanding that you can learn, that you can do something differently, that you can avoid this mistake or this issue from happening in the future. It's going to create healing. It's going to create growth. It's going to create the future. And it's going to begin the moment you say that this is all on me and no one else. Number 2, boys look for permission. Men move with purpose. A boy waits to do as he's told. A man decides what he's going to do, whether people agree with it or not, whether people disagree, whether people have an issue with it. A man is going to make his decision and he's going to stand on it and accept that. We don't want to wait for motivation. You don't want to wait for a woman. You don't want to wait for your friends to approve of your goals, even your parents. You want to approve of your goals. If you did your research, if you feel confident about it, then that's all that matters. A man is going to create his own path at the end of the day. Even if he walks that path alone, as long as he believes it and it's something that he puts his purpose in and his value in, that's all that matters. Everyone is going to be on different paths, but if you believe your path, you'll be able to walk it, even if it's alone. Number 3, boys avoid pain. Men face it head on. You have to stop running from discomfort. You have to stop running from responsibility. You have to stop running from failure, because these are all things that are going to help you grow as a man. How can you give anybody advice? How can you have any goals? How can you get better and learn if you're afraid to fail, or even, put your leg out and step forward because you're afraid you might fall? It's okay if you fall. You're going to get back up and you're going to be better. But you got to truly believe that and put that into the equation. You got to put that into your life scenarios. You can't play everything safe. You got to get a little dangerous sometimes. You embrace the challenge. A man is going to embrace the challenge. A man is going to hit the gym. A man is going to deal with the breakup. A man is going to deal with the grind. We have to start using pain. You have to start using pain as fuel instead of something to escape, because it's only going to create more fire. It's only going to create more strength and build you up higher. Number 4, boys tend to react. Men tend to respond with control. Emotional control is power. You got to stop throwing tantrums. You got to stop ghosting people. You got to stop rage quitting. That's what boys do. Whenever something gets a little hard, whenever it's difficult, whenever it's a little challenge, whenever they're not good at it, they throw a tantrum, they ghost people, they rage quit. A real man is going to breathe. He's going to assess the situation. He's going to respond with calmness and clarity and figure out how can we get over this hump and move forward and use this as a pivotal turning point to become better at whatever that problem is, to create a solution, not run from a solution. You have to learn how to regulate your emotions, not suppress them, but regulate them, because emotions are a good thing when you can control them. They're a bad thing when you just let them go everywhere and they're out of control and you're raging and you're cussing people out and you're being disrespectful and people are unable to talk to you. That's when it's not good. Number 5, boys want to be saved. Men build themselves. They don't wait to get saved. They don't wait for a handout. Nobody's going to come save you. Become the man that you need or that you needed. A boy wants a shortcut. They want a savior. A man says, I'll figure it out. No matter if it takes me 30 days, 30 nights, 90 days, 90 days, 90 nights. A man is going to build their discipline. They're going to build their mindset. They're going to build their body and purpose brick by brick, layer by layer, day by day. It's just constantly going to add up. Last but not least, if you want to become a man, follow this one rule starting today. Own everything. No more excuses. No more blame. You're in charge now. It's your boy J3.